Do you think Hungary is a good place for founders to start or grow a company?
I think that to start a company, not in the bureaucratic sense, but in the actual sense, to sit down and find cooperating partners, co-founders, I think it's a great place to find talent. Budapest is actually rated #2 in the world. It's a fun destination for especially Gen Z and young people. It's probably one of the hidden gems that a lot of people don't realize how good it is here. Economically, it's a very inexpensive place compared to some other locations like London or Paris. Another interesting thing is that is rare, in my opinion, Central Eastern Europe, that because of the location and the history of Hungary, there are many Hungarians who speak multiple languages. So in that sense, it's an ideal location for that kind of a geographical coverage. When it comes to development, one of the best kept secrets in this economy.